Hi, it's JoElla Milan, licensed esthetician. And if I look a little bit plain and wrinkly, it's because I have a mask on. I have a new mask kit out, and I wanted to share it with you. I've got, honestly, some of the best masks on the market. They're great. They're affordably priced, and they really work. And I feel like part of the reason I don't have any wrinkles is because of the products that I do use. And this one I've been testing for the last few weeks, and I've been very happy with the results. So what I've done, there's just two pieces that come with that. So what I've done is, cleanse your face. And then earlier today, I sprayed on the JoElla Milan Capture Youth Water, and you just want to really rub it in. Rub it in everywhere. And then let it dry for a minute. And then I put on the peel. And you just apply it to your fingertips. And for me, I always put everything under my eyes, but you want to be careful when you do that. And, apply it everywhere on your face that you have wrinkles and you want to lift a little bit of lifting, a little bit of toning, under the jowl area and on the, here, I'm already flaking because it's been on a while. If you see any little flakes coming off, that's because I had it on there. So you want to put it on and leave it on for about 10 or 15 minutes. 15 minutes if you can. And just let it sit. And then you take a wet sponge or a cloth, whatever you're comfortable with, and remove it. And the other thing I like about this, when I say tone, it actually helps even out the skin tone. So I found, after doing it 10 days, my skin looked a lot more even. And, the color looked more toned. And it's still, as always, your skin's a work in progress. I've noticed that my skin's gotten really clear here, and I still have a little way to go in that area. And I feel that, from the sunlight from your car, even though you wear sunscreen, it still gets in there. So anyway, I'm just wiping this off with the sponge. Put a little bit down here. You can put this on your neck and on your chest, anywhere you want. And the bottle, you have plenty here. You only use a little bit of everything. So you've got, you can get plenty of mass out of this. Okay, so I've taken this off. And then what I do is just use the JoElla Milan Capture Youth Water. This one you just spray it on, but you've always got to rub this in. And on the eyelids, rub it in. Rubbing it makes it not only penetrate, but the friction helps increase the results of it. Because it likes the friction of that. All natural ingredients, all healthy ingredients. So that's it. And then I just leave it. And then in a couple minutes, I could put on my makeup, my sunscreen, whatever I want to do for the rest of the day. But, it's great. And always, I find with peels, you look better the next day. Whatever you do on your face, you always look better the next day. But, this was just like I would say altogether, start to finish, 20 minutes. So just fit this in for 10 days in a row, if you can tolerate it. If it's too much for you, just do 3 or 4 days, whatever you can feel like your skin can handle. Or you can use it on whenever you, you feel like your face needs a little bit of perking up. So I would recommend still, if you want great results, do the Super Duper mask that I have, and then you can do this for like 10 days in a row and just continue the results. But it makes you look so good, and I'm really excited about it. So it'll be on my website with a link below, and if you have any questions, you could send me an email or you can call me on my toll-free number, and I'm really happy to help you. Thank you. Bye.